I don't really know what's R22. It's some kind of gas, but what I understand is that we all need to brace ourselves for some changes.
So actually, you needed to brace yourself for changes in the R22 field right about 15 years ago. So R22 is the really old systems that are just out. You can't even find parts for them outside of a museum. If you have a bad R22 system, and when I say a bad R22 system, I mean a major component failure. At this point, unfortunately, you don't have any choice but to replace the system. But what's being phased out right now is the successor to R22, which is R410. So that has been the vast majority of systems installed in, let's say, the last 15 years, something like that, have been R410A systems. And that is being phased out right now in favor of ants. So again, it is a really important point if you do get a new install today to make sure that you get an A2L system, because I have seen a bunch of people that have had R410A systems installed in the last year or so, and it's a dead end refrigerant. If their evaporator breaks in 5 years, they need to replace the whole system. If they have a leak in 10 years, it's going to be really expensive to fix that because this refrigerant is not being produced anymore. And it's not legal to manufacture R410A equipment at this point. So, yeah, pay attention to what is the refrigerant type that you are getting installed if you get something installed right now.